Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. It's week 35 of the top commenter of the week prize draw. 1W 2019 10 pence coin up for grabs, and we're going to try and give away as many of these as possible over the next few months. There's also going to be 2 more names. No, we're going to make that 3 more names onto that Coins of Easter list. There's still going to be 4 more places to go after this video, and they will be getting filled up before that huge prize draw at 6 p.m. A huge shout out to everyone that's managed to score at least 1 point this week. You'll be going into that lucky bowl and hopefully getting yourself on that list. We'll count down then the top 15. We've got Kelly M, Butterbeans, Terence Day. In tied 9th then we've got Curtis McElroy, Triple Coins, James Joluffe, Sam Carter. 8th place is Just Kano. 7th on his own as well, we've got Umar Collects. Big Boss in 6th. IO87 in 5th. Josh Glennon from 1st down to 4th. And we've got a 3-way tie. Coin Lover 123, Wally Robson and Baz Coins, all scoring that maximum of 40 points. A huge shout out to you. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner, which means we are going to that bowl of doom. Best of luck, everyone. Will we have a first time winner today? So here we go then, the prize draw. Oh, they've all fallen out, so we'll just go for this one that's left. And the winner then is going to be, good luck everyone, it's Baz Coins. A huge shout out to you. You have gone and got yourself that W 2019 10 pence coin. Commiserations there to Wally Robson, beaten by the bowl of doom again, and Coin Lover 123, an amazing achievement to hit that 40 points. So then we move on then to the 3 names now, going on to that Coins of Easter list. We'll pick 2 from here, and then I think we'll give them a little shuffle again, and then we'll pick 1 more. So we'll get our 1 now, and then we've got our final 3. And like I say, there still is 4 more places on that list. So the first of 3 names going on that list today, we have got Kyle92. Best of luck to you. I'm not sure if you've won before, so hopefully this could be your first time. The second name then is Judith L. A huge shout out to you. And the final name then going on that list from this video is going to be Waffle 5K1. Congratulations. You 3 have made the list. Congratulations again to Baz Coins for winning that W10p. Also, again, a huge shout out to Wally Robson, Coin Lover 123 on making that 40 points. Hopefully next week will be your week. We are closing in now, just over 3 hours until that huge prize draw. I am getting more and more excited. So is Elle as well. You guys better be at home. I hope you're all having a really nice day today, guys. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.